How to restore WhatsApp messages. That's what I'm gonna teach you in today's video. So the first we go to open our WhatsApp application here, as you can see. And now once we open the app, up to the right corner, we got these 3 points. So we're gonna click on them and then we're gonna choose the last option, settings. And once we click on settings, we'll go here to chats. We click on chats. And once we click on chats, we go down to this option which says chat backup. So we're going to click on chat backup here easily. And we got a Google Drive, and the last backup was yesterday on 5/56, and it has 1.5 gigabyte size. So we're going to click on backup here, this option, and we're going to wait until the WhatsApp restore the old conversations and the messages in the media, including photos and videos and so on. And by following and using this method, we can restore WhatsApp messages on our Android phone. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, you can leave us a comment down below in the comment section to say if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.